I have a friend that teaches at the high school here, and he had been through a lot of the programs here, and he recommended that I take the welding program. He knew the instructor, I knew the instructor a little bit and really liked what I saw, so I decided to come here. The certificates I've gotten here at West Hills really show the employers that I've completed the program. I know what I'm doing in that specific area, and that's really good for them to see that you know what you're doing and you've proved it. Wanting to kind of go into an oil field kind of career path, having the welding certificate would really help, but also possibly driving tanker trucks or hazmat for the fields and stuff is really beneficial to have. I like truck driving because I enjoy working with large equipment, shipping larger equipment, and just being able to drive a big truck is interesting and fun. Career education to me is learning a specific trade that will, really push you and benefit you in the career path that you're going towards. Career education, find it, be it.